Hey guys, what's going on? We are back again. Excuse me, I had to take a sip of my drink. This is brought to you in part by Card Shellz. If you are buying and selling cards online, you want to make sure that whoever you buy them from sends them to you in ARMALOPES. And if you're selling, you want to send them in ARMALOPES. They're not expensive. It's like $8.99 for 100 or $7.99 for 100 for 50 of these. So it's less than 20 bucks for 100. So that's less than 20 cents a piece, guys. So, I mean, these are very inexpensive insurance to protect your cards. You slide your card in there and it won't rock side to side. It's only got a limited amount of space. Peel the tape off, fold it over, stick it. You can put your label on it, stamp everything, send it in the mail, and it's cheap. The eBay plain white envelope, you don't got to pay an arm and a leg for parcel. You can pay a stamp or two. It's like $1, $1.25 to ship it. If you go to cardshellz.com, that's Cardshellz with a Z, and you have a $50 or more order, you can get 10 bucks off just by using my code Liberty2024. So please go to cardshellz.com, that's Cardshellz with a Z. If you spend $50 or more and you want to save a little bit of money, use code Liberty2024. Yes, I get a little bit of a kickback, but it just allows me to buy more stuff to be able to do videos like this. I actually sold my first card on eBay today, so I'm sending it. It's this Keontae George. I'm going to send it in an envelope. It slides right in. Goes right in there. I'm waiting. I got to go tomorrow and get some painter's tape to tape right there because I don't want nothing to happen. Just to be safe. A little extra insurance. Never hurt anybody. You slide it in. I got my non-machinable stamp stamped on it. Peel the tape, fold it. I'll stick my label right there, put it in the mail, and it'll be good to go. But please, guys, go to cardshellz.com. That's Cardshellz with a Z. And if you spend $50 or more, please use my code Liberty2024, and you'll save 10 bucks. I'll get a little kickback, but that'll allow me to buy more envelopes and make more videos. So let's get cracking. All right, this pack right here, we're going in. Let's see what we get. We got a Jorge Soler, Pete Ladd. Hey, we got a Barry from Don Russ 1990. That's not bad. It's not good, but it's Barry. I mean, Barry Bonds. We got a Micah V's, Matt Cain, Brad Fulmer, cool card, Doug Fister, Rob Dibble, Pete Vukovich, Atlanta Braves 2014 team card. We got a Ryan Ludwig, Doug Corbett. Man, I thought that was a frickin' Billy Ripken. It's a Mickey Tettleton. Jeff Weatherby. Got a Boston Red Sox team card from 2022. Jeff Robinson. Ryan Presley. Got a Jose De Jesus. We got a Curtis Granderson and DJ LeMahieu. Cool card. All right. On to the next one. We got Reese Hoskins, Jose Oquendo, a Jim Dwyer from 1981 Topps. That's cool. It's an old card and it looks fairly good. The corners look good. That one, slight issue with that corner. Scott Bradley, Gypsy Queen, Matt Cain. Hey, another CC Sabathia. That's a limited edition rookie. But hold on, we had another one. So let's see what the other one is too. Let's see if that one was the same one. No, it's not. Okay, so we got two versions of it. Let's see what they are real quick. All right, guys. This one says limited edition. This one doesn't. They're both gold. The non-limited edition looks a heck of a lot better than the back on the one that is limited edition. But I don't know what the limited edition means. But hey, there's two of them. That's cool. We shall see. We'll have to price them. Got a Jack Eggert extra edition. That's cool. Not numbered, but hey, it's Donruss. Chase Utley Upper Deck Masterpieces. That's cool. Juan Behringer, Jim Tatum, Rick Sutcliffe, Vance Worley, Travis Blackley, Dwayne Walker. It's a horrible cut. Dave Bergman, Tony Armas, Shinso Chu, Shane Mack, Aaron Nola, Juan Behringer, Micah Johnson rookie, and then we got a Kurt Suzuki. All right. See what the next pack brings us. We got Nomar Mazara, Walt Terrell, Jeff Russell, Bob Horner, Topps 86 All-Star Set Collector's Edition. That's cool. Travis Fryman, Topps Heritage. That's cool. Derek McCallum, first Bowman card. Justin Verlander, Rick Leach, Red Faber, Sheffield, that's cool. That's a Leaf from 2002. Marcus Thames, Lance McCullers, Wallace Johnson, Larry Walker, Jim Bibby, JT Riddle, Dan Plesac, Aurelio Lopez, Mike Devereaux, Jed Giorco, and a Phil Hughes. All right, next pack. Something looks cool in there. I don't know what, but we'll see in a second. Mark Canha, Kevin Tapani, Willie Hernandez, Wally Backman, got a Matt Cain, another Matt Cain, that's a SPX, that's cool. Vince Coleman, hey, Vince Coleman, my dad knew him too, worked with him. So there's quite a few guys that came through Jacksonville, Florida, guys. Don Gordon, Scott Geraltz, Victor Martinez, Johnny Peralta, Aramis Ramirez, Al Callens, Rance Mullenix, Gio Gonzalez, that's cool, Ryan Ludwig, Chris Bassett, a Lloyd Mosby, Reed Nichols, and a Dustin Ackley. That's a cool looking card. We got Martin Perez, Steve Lake, Mark Carrion, Vance Law, CC Sabathia, Bruce Billings, Donruss Studio, Chase Utley, Bill Nahorodny, Walt Weiss, Rick Mailer, Salvador Perez, Keon Broxton, Kirk Gibson, Rob Wilfong, Charlie Palaio, the Yankees from 2021. And then Dave Bergman, Dave Smith, Jason Bartlett, Terry Francona, baseball champion, it's cool. And then we got a Jameson Talon. All right, last pack of this video. And we got 1, 2, 3, yes, 6 packs left. So there'll be one more video of these. All right, we got a Julio Teheran, Blake Rutherford, Jose Cesena, Francisco Cervelli, Kevin Brown and a Kevin Reimer, Steve Sachs, Kevin McReynolds, Jonathan Papelbon Gold, that's cool, Evan Longoria, CC Sabathia, Howard Battle, Bill Robinson, Mike Henneman, Casey Gillespie, Michael Choice, Dave Winfield, Matt Kinzer, Paul Gibson, Ryan McMahon, Dave Steib, Devon White. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. 6 more packs. Let's open them up, see what we get. Please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends. We're going to be doing a giveaway after July 1st. We're trying to get 100 subscribers by July 1st. It's about 2.5 weeks away. So please ask your friends to subscribe to the channel. See if we can get 100 subscribers. If we can get 100 subscribers, y'all comment some cards from some of the videos that we played, and I'll give them away. So just comment, get some subscribers, and we can go from there in July. We'll have a giveaway in July. All right, guys. Thanks. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.